This is our transfer tax stamp service, right? You need a transfer tax stamp on your deed in order to record it if you're going to transfer your property. And if you are exempt, you're going to say yes, and your state and county transfer stamps and your city transfer stamps automatically disappear. But if we say do not, then they reappear. So again, you don't have to fill out unnecessary information. If you're exempt, you don't need transfer stamps. You just have to fill out the declaration for the county and the declaration for the city that your property resides in. So we're not exempt for our example, because I just want to give you a maximized example and estimate. I'm going to say we need Chicago transfer stamps, right? And you see that the exemption disappeared. Let me do that again. Put it back. If I click yes, this exemption is going to disappear because you can't be exempt and need stamps at the same time. So that's unnecessary information. So city stamps, we also need the declaration filled out, because the declaration is the form that you have to fill out that's required in order for you to obtain your transfer stamps. So this is a regulatory form. You need this in order to purchase these. Again, same thing down with the state and the county. You need the stamps, but in order to get the stamps, you have to fill out the declaration, the MyDec, the P-Tax. Depends on who you're talking to, the language that they use. Easy Deck, all the same thing. So we need city stamps, we need the declaration, we need state and county stamps, we need the declaration. They go hand in hand. Now let's see what our calculation is by clicking that button. Now we had $350, right? That's for all of the services. Just to recap, we got a recording, we got a 2-page warranty deed, we got water certification for our condo, and now we need transfer stamps to go on the deed in order to record it. So let's go next. This is where you find out what your total transfer tax is. This is the calculator for calculating your transfer tax. So the first thing is, in calculating your transfer tax, you have to know the property's purchase price or selling price. Full consideration. Depends on who you're talking to, what language they're going to use. But basically, what you're selling the property for, right? That number goes here. So our condo is going to cost us $200,000. $200,000. This condo is worth $200,000. And if I want to know what the total transfer tax is for that, I just hit this calculate button, and it tells me it's $2,400. Why is it $2,400? I can go down here, and for the city, they charge $5.25. Again, if you watch the search cost by map would have showed you these actual numbers. It gives you a better understanding of what this is all about. So you can hit this calculate button, and it tells you that out of this $2,400, $2,100 is going to the city because their tax is $5.25. Right? And how you get to that is you say for the city of Chicago, they charge, for every 500, they charge $5.25. So you'll take this purchase price divided by 500, and then you'll multiply it by 525, which gives you $2,100. Right? Same thing with the county. Theirs is 25 cents. So you just hit this calculate button. The county tax is $100. What's the state tax? Hit this calculate button, $200. And all of these numbers here should equal your total here. So 21 plus 100, 22, another 200 is 24. That's the reason why we have $2,400 for our transfer tax totally. So either you allow Trio to take care of that by sending a check in when you order, if you choose to order, or you can go take care of it, and we'll take care of the stamps. I mean, however you want to do it, it's possible. But I added it on the estimate form because it all has to be taken care of when you get the stamps. So let's go next. Here is a notary option to have a mobile notary come to you to notarize the documents. We have several on staff, quite a few professionals with notary licenses, so we can get the documents notarized, all of them that need to be notarized. So you say yes or no. You may have an attorney notarize it, or you may go to your bank and have it notarized. However you want to do it, you need your documents notarized in order to get it recorded and transferred properly. This is a service that is required, whether Trio takes care of it or you have an outside service takes care of it. So for the purpose of our example, I'm going to say yes, you need a notary, because you definitely do need a notary. So we'll go next. Hey, we're at the end of the form. Finally, final question. Time to celebrate and take advantage of an option that I added to the form to help you save 5% on your estimate or your cost, right? Do you believe in love? Yes, no, maybe. If I were you, I would hit yes. If you click yes and hit calculate, you'll see that you'll get some of your costs taken off, right? If you hit no, you'll see that the cost goes back up. So if I were you, I would believe in love. Get 5% taken off, right? Now, let's hit continue. We are 89% done. There you go. There is your total estimate cost of your specific situation that you are in, your transfer situation. Let's go through the form real quick just to let you know what we did. Recapping. Yes, I want to record my document. It was 2 pages. It was a warranty deed. 50-50, $100. Yes, I need a water certification. $50. I had a condo, right? But if I didn't have a condo and it was a single family, I would have a meter reading here, right? Which would probably be more than $50. It would be $50 plus whatever the meter reading is. So I do not need a building registration. We got 0 costs. I do not need a vacant property registration. 0 costs. Yes, get city transfer stamps, $50. I need my declaration filled out, $25. Yes, I need the state and county stamps, $50. Yes, I need a declaration for the county, $25. Yes, I need a notary, another $25. And I click yes, I believe in love, and I got $18 taken off. Take a look at that. And my total transfer stamp calculation gave me $2,400. So my total estimate is $2,756 for a condo that need water certification, a deed recorded, and transfer stamps and my deck and a notary. $2,756.25. That's my total cost for transferring my condo from me to someone else, right? Now you have 2 options here. You could choose to pay for this service right then and here. By now, this estimate form has already been emailed to you because of the email that you put in the beginning of this form. You can choose to pay for this service here, or you can go back and you take you back to the form and you can make changes, correct some things, remove some services, whatever you want to do. Hit your previous button. So let's say that we got it all right. So we hit continue. Now we're back at the estimate form. I want to choose to check out, and I want to pay for it right now because I need this done. I'm closing in 2 or 3 days. I need Trio to go ahead and take care of this for me. So I'm going to hit checkout. And when I hit checkout, it's going to take me to the PayPal checkout page. I have 2 options here. I can choose to log into my PayPal if I have one. But if I don't have one, I can pay by credit card. And if I hit pay by credit card, it takes me to the page where I enter all of my credit card information. And I can hit pay now. Right? So You could pay for this, or you can actually go back to the beginning of the form. If you can abandon this and go back to the beginning of the form. Hey, I forgot to add something, or I didn't need all of that. I need to take some things off. Somebody else is going to take care of this for me, or however you look at it. You can hit a link at the bottom under the Pay Now button here. It says cancel and return to Trio LLC. If I hit that, it's going to take me back to payment failure, and then I can hit submit another response, and it takes me back to the form. There we go. Hopefully that helps you get through your specific situation in your transfer of whatever type of property that you have. And this form could definitely help you calculate what that cost is going to be in order to get that done. Hopefully it's helpful, and I look forward to seeing your orders. If not, give me a call. We could talk about whatever situation that you have if it comes to conveying property or transferring, recording, water certification, zoning, vacant property, building registrations, anything that has something to do with transferring property, I can help you with. I look forward to seeing you on the site, and take advantage of that 25% off of your first order that's on TrioLLC.com.